Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, August 12th. We continue reading from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled, Love is in the Being. The center I once glimpsed is all around me, a landscape I now live in, and I will not pretend anymore. If those I love cannot recognize me with my soul out in the open, I will no longer retreat and show them what is familiar. You don't have to do anything to be loved. You don't have to perform or achieve or earn a merit badge or be witnessed doing good. It has taken me almost half a century to learn and believe this. It is my work to this day. For our messages to the contrary are deep. Growing up, I heard my father 1,000 times. Don't tell me how hard you try. Just show me what you accomplish. But my life has shown me that the opposite is true. In my heart, where the spirit of the world really comes alive, it doesn't matter what I accomplish. The only thing that does matter is how deeply I try. For out of this trying comes sincerity and love. This has led me to another realization of heart. Being who we are does not let others down. For much of my adult life, I've heard the message, you must consider others, offered as a caution against following your heart because it might upset others. Certainly, true compassion begins with the consideration of others, but the displeasure of others is no reason to muffle your love. You do not have to do anything to be loved, and being who you are does not let others down. This needs to be repeated and often. Simply be who you are and love what is before you. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Allow your breath to be nice and soft, completely natural. And remind yourself that you don't need to fix anything about your breathing. It's good enough. By the same token, you don't need to change anything about yourself. You are enough. This moment is enough, just as it is. See if this reminder helps you touch a sense of spaciousness in your whole being, helps you enter a space of freedom in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now, with easy, natural breath, start putting aside all your accomplishments, one by one. How does that feel in your body, in your heart, in your mind? Stripping yourself of all accomplishments. What's beneath that? And now, as you continue breathing easily, start putting aside all the things you have not accomplished, but maybe beating yourself up for not accomplishing them. How does that feel? In your body, in your heart, in your mind. And see if you can find the center of your being without these uniforms of goodness. knowing that you are as beautiful as a mountain or a river, knowing that you don't need to do anything differently to be loved, and you don't need to pretend to be anybody different to be loved. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice how you're feeling right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this beautiful reflection. Remember, you don't have to do anything to be loved. And being who you are does not let others down. So simply be who you are, and you will find that love is all around you. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.